How to recover WhatsApp view once photos or videos. So if you want to recover WhatsApp view once photo and video, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. After that, go with the chat where you have received your view once photos and videos. So now you've opened the view once photo or video, just don't close the chat window. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Go to more and you will have export chat option. Now tap on export chat and WhatsApp will create a zip file of your conversation with that person. Now choose any file manager app to open the zip. Now once you've pasted right here, you need to tap on the chat and tap on extract here. Once you've extracted, now you need to tap on the folder, or you can also create a new folder which helps keep things organized. Once extraction is complete, just open that folder and boom, the view once photo or video will be right there, saved to your device and no longer restricted. This trick works perfectly for both photos and videos, and you'll never lose anything important again. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.